The coronavirus, or COVID-19, is both deadly and financially disruptive. As the virus reaches peak exposure, many of you are wondering how to protect your business. To reduce the impact on business, it's important to take action now, to do what you can to protect your workplace environment and keep it as safe as possible. As you consider the risk to your business, you're probably wondering what type of cleaning or disinfecting process you should use. You're probably wondering who can do it and how much will it cost. Make sure you are using a reputable company who knows how to properly do the job. Of course, BELFOR has been cleaning buildings and facilities of biohazards for more than 25 years. We even have our own environmental division. Not all cleaning companies have that kind of experience and knowledge, so choose professionals. BELFOR is on the front lines of this crisis. Our teams have built drive-through testing centers in many parts of the country. We've also been very busy cleaning buildings, offices, manufacturing plants, warehouses, schools, fire stations, casinos, cruise ships, and you name it, just about every type of business all over the world. At BELFOR, we are offering 3 different levels of cleaning protocol based on the risk that your business faces. Level 1 is a proactive cleaning for those that have no suspected or confirmed cases of COVID-19 but want to be cautious. If your facility is currently empty due to stay-at-home measures, this may be the best time to have it properly cleaned. Level 2, or suspected, should be used when you have determined that it is possible that your business has been exposed to COVID-19. For example, if one of your employees is sick with a fever, you may need Level 2 cleaning to make sure your building or office has not been exposed. Level 3, the most thorough of all cleanings, is used when your business has had a confirmed case of COVID-19. For this level, an industrial hygienist should be consulted, or may even be required to inspect and clear the premises of any COVID-19 exposure. We are happy to help you select the level of cleaning that makes the most sense for your facility. BELFOR uses 2 basic cleaning methods, a wiping process and a spraying process. Both methods help lower the risk, and for many jobs, we use a combination of both. For high-contact surfaces such as doorknobs, elevator buttons, computer keyboards, and more, we use a hand-cleaning motion with a soft cloth to ensure that all contact surfaces are adequately touched through the wiping process. For low-contact surfaces such as floors and walls, we use an electrostatic sprayer or an aerosolized mister. This type of cleaning is used for broad application or large areas. It is safe and leaves no harmful residue. For both methods, BELFOR uses an EPA-approved hospital-grade disinfectant that is proven to be very effective at battling infectious viruses such as the coronavirus. If you want BELFOR to clean your building or facility, there are several ways you can start that process. First, visit our website and complete the short form. We will contact you directly. Or you can call your local BELFOR office or account manager for help. Finally, you can always reach us anytime on our 24-hour emergency hotline, 1-866-366-0493. BELFOR wants to help, and we appreciate your business. Above all, stay safe. And remember, we're all in this together.